Good evening, my name is Robbie, and today we're going to be covering the topic of approximation, section 1.4 in my textbook. And approximation, what you actually have to do is kind of guess, basically. It's the best way to put it, an informal way of putting things. And often it requires you to take risks and kind of step outside the box and be willing to just guess if you have to. So what we're going to do first is we're going to guess the length of this room in feet. So my approximation of the length of this room's feet is 40 feet. And then to compare that approximation, we're going to measure it with my feet. We'll start here over at the door. We're going to count off our feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So this room is 35 feet and our approximation was 40 feet. As you can see, when you do approximate things, it creates a difficulty because there are inaccuracies and you can come up with an incorrect answer. However, if you are fairly close, such as instances where you're rounding from the number such as like 3.8976 to 4. That is fairly close to your original answer, and it's a good approximation. The next example we're going to do is a quantitative example as well. What we're going to do is approximate the number of bananas in this stack. All we know that there are 3 stacks of bananas, and we have to approximate. So I approximate that there's going to be 12 bananas here. So I count them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this instance, the approximation was exactly correct. And as you can see, even though there are inaccuracies and room for error in approximations, there are also instances, rare instances, where your approximation will be correct or very, very close to the value that you were trying to obtain if you were to work the problem out in full, if you were not to approximate. So that is the gist of approximation. I hope you have learned something. I hope I have taught you something, and thank you for listening to this video.